Hello food fans, today we are going to have a salad, and it's going to be a potato salad, but it's not going to take a lot of work. Usually when you make potato salad, or I make potato salad, usually you go out and buy some potatoes. One large potato would be enough for a salad for serving 4 people, and usually the potato is then peeled, which takes a lot of time. I never peel potatoes, but even if I did, then I'd still have to boil the potato. And I'd also have to boil an egg, and I'd also have to put the potatoes into the refrigerator after they'd finished boiling. Well, I found a shortcut, and I'm going to share it with you, but it's all secret, of course. We don't want to tell anybody about this great recipe for potato salad. And I make it with potatoes, but canned potatoes. You can buy a can of potatoes. These were 49 cents at Aldi. You'd probably pay 60 cents at most places, or maybe 70 cents. But this can, 15-ounce can of potatoes, will make enough potato salad. I could have 2 gigantic servings, or 4 normal size servings, or 6 smaller servings. In other words, I can make a lot of potato salad with a 15-ounce can of potatoes, and I don't have to boil them. What I do, just for the heck of it, when I get home from the store, I put the can of potatoes into the refrigerator and just leave it there until I need it. And then you know what I do? Well, I'll show you. So let's get started. The first thing I do is put some potatoes. I'm just going to put half of the can of potatoes. I drained the water from the can of potatoes, and I'm going to put half of the potatoes into this dish. I now have half of a can of potatoes in the dish, and I'm going to chop them up with my spoon. There we have half a can of potatoes chopped up into bite-sized morsels, and now I'm going to add an egg, but I'm not going to boil it. What I'm going to do is cook the egg in the microwave. In my microwave dish, I will break the egg into the dish, and I will cook it for 1 minute 3 seconds at a power of 7, and be right back to put the egg in with the potatoes. I should mention I'm putting a paper towel over the microwave dish with a lid placed on top but not fastened down before I put it into the microwave. Fresh out of the microwave, the egg looks like this. And it does make the exploding sounds in the microwave, but nothing pops out because it has a paper towel over it. I'm going to chop up the egg and mix it in with the potatoes. Now that everything's chopped up, I'm going to add some mayonnaise and some relish and a little tiny speck of mustard in there. And the amount of mayonnaise I will start with 3 gigantic spoonfuls, soup spoon or tablespoonfuls, 3 big spoons full of mayonnaise, and I will add 2 big spoons full of relish, and then I will see if I want to add more mayonnaise or relish after I mix it up. There it is, all nicely mixed up. The yellow in the center, that's the mustard. I'll mix that in a little bit. That's about a half a teaspoon of mustard. I'm going to put in one secret ingredient here. Just a tiny bit of carrots, almost shredded, very thinly sliced little bits of carrot for the potato salad. And potato salad goes well with almost any meat dish, like if you're having hamburgers or fried chicken or something. Potato salad is very good. It has some vitamin C in it. I will add one other secret ingredient here. Put the carrot down. And what I'm going to add, these are on sale for 99 cents a pound. Tomatoes, Roma tomatoes. And again, I'm just going to put a few little chopped up bits of the tomato into the potato salad, but not enough to make it a tomato salad. It's just going to be nice, probably reasonably healthful meal. Not health food for sure, but more healthy than some choices. And I need to add one more thing here. Let me get that out of the way. And I will bring in just a hint of basil. Enough to give it some pretty coloring there. Now, that is ready to taste. I will give it a taste test. I think I could actually make a sandwich out of that too, but let me give it a taste test first as potato salad. I'll mix everything up nice and very fine here. And if you do like potato salad, this is good potato salad, believe it or not, without all the work. So let me get that, give it a taste test. It is delicious, as I thought it would be. Potato salad, easy to make. Try it. Thank you for watching.